Okay, friends, Arya, Swara, Babu, Chris. Who is absent today? Sandeep. Okay, sir. In previous lecture, we have seen the chemical properties of primary amines, just like Bachchan. Basic property, acylation, then carbylementation, then Hinsberg reagent के साथ reaction, alkylation and reaction with nitrous acid. Today we will see about the aniline. Finally, aniline is aromatic compound. Aromatic compound in which Na2 group is directly added to the benzene ring. If NH2, if two hydrogen atoms are attached with nitrogen, it is known as a primary amine. If NH group is present, known as a secondary amine. And no hydrogen attached with nitrogen is known as a tertiary amine. That's why aniline is primary aromatic amine. In aromatic compound, is compound having a benzene ring, they are known as aromatic compound. Acha, in case of aniline, the use of aniline is widely spread in industrial chemistry. That's why it is necessary to prepare aniline in a bulk state. There are two methods are used to prepare any chemical. First one laboratory method and second one industrial production. In laboratory method, a very small quantity of any substance is to be prepared. But in industrial production, large quantity is to be prepared. There's applications of aniline. What are the applications? Why we should have to prepare aniline industrially? Then we should have to understand about the uses of aniline. DVD service, D4 dyes, in manufacturing of dyes, in varnish, in drugs, otherwise you can say medicine. As a solvent, aniline is also used to prepare resins. In vulcanization of rubber, aniline is also used, and to prepare some synthetic chemicals. There are so many chemicals are prepared from aniline. These are the uses of aniline, and that's why it is necessary to prepare in bulk state of aniline. Industrially production, otherwise you can say manufacturing. Yes, there are two raw materials are used for the industrial production of aniline. First one is chlorobenzene, second one is nitrobenzene. Yes, chlorobenzene में से aniline कैसे बनाया जाता है? In first method, how we can prepare aniline from chlorobenzene? On heating with alcoholic ammonia, chlorobenzene will give aniline. Yes, what is the mechanism of this reaction? This is chlorobenzene. This is the first molecule of ammonia. This one is second molecule of ammonia. Finally, this block में जो portion है, this portion will remove as a byproduct NH4Cl minus NH. Ammonium chloride will remove as a byproduct, and finally our main product will be aniline. Second raw material is nitrobenzene for the production of aniline. नाइट्रोबेंजीन में से एनिलीन दो तरीके से बनाया जाता है. Reduction. What do you mean by reduction? In 11th science we already studied about the oxidation and reduction. Addition of oxygen is known as oxidation. Otherwise, removal of hydrogen is also known as oxidation. Secondly, reduction is addition of hydrogen. Otherwise, you can say removal of oxygen is known as reduction. Yes, when nitrobenzene is heated at 600 centigrade temperature in presence of nickel catalyst, at that time aniline will be formed. And what is the mechanism of this reaction? Yes, NO2. In structure of nitrobenzene, nitrogen is bonded with oxygen through double bond, and second oxygen will bonded with nitrogen through coordinate bond. During reduction, oxygen will remove as a water molecule. This oxygen will require two hydrogen molecules for the, and second oxygen will also require two hydrogen, and third molecule of hydrogen will directly add to the nitrogen. Means during the reduction of nitrobenzene, two water molecule will be removed as a byproduct, and finally our main product will be aniline. In second method, nitrobenzene is to be heated with reacted with hydrogen in presence of catalysts like iron plus HCl. Here our product will be benzene having NH2 dot HCl, benzene aniline. Yes, यहाँ रिडक्शन होके एनिलीन बनता है, इनके साथ HCl is the acid and aniline is the basic. This is one type of salt, aniline hydrochloride, and HCl have a tendency to give the proton. तो ये हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, तो इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, बेंजीन हैविंग NH3 प्लस और Cl माइनस. Name of this compound, if you replace phenyl group by hydrogen, you will get NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. This is the derivative of ammonium chloride, in which one hydrogen is replaced by phenyl. That's why it is also known as a N-phenyl ammonium chloride. Both aniline hydrochloride and N-phenyl ammonium chloride both are same. Which on neutralization by NaOH gives aniline. Yes, what is the mechanism of this reaction? This aniline hydrochloride on reaction with NaOH, yes, Na will combine with Cl and will gives NaCl will remove as a byproduct. Second, this hydrogen will combine with OH of NaOH and water molecule will remove as a byproduct. Okay, these are the two methods. In first method, aniline can be prepared from chlorobenzene. In second method, aniline can be prepared from nitrobenzene. Okay friends, thank you very much. Next time we will try to understand about the chemical reactions of aniline. Okay, thanks.